This episode was previously recorded in front of an imaginary studio audience.
Time for Fun Knife Friday!
Alright! All you knife champions out there, your old pal Skip the Show back at you again. From the Volcano Club, it's another Fun Knife Friday. And have we ever got a show for you today? We're going to do something really fun today here at the Volcano Club. Because, well, we went somewhere over the weekend. We went to a pawn shop. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, man, maybe you went to Rick's Pawn Shop. You know, that place out in Vegas or something, you know, the gold and silver pawn shop. It was like, I went there once. Their prices were just way too high. And why should I go all the way to Vegas to Rick's Pawn Shop when I can just cross the border over here and hit Sid's pot metal and plastic pawn shop, because he's got the best deals in town, I tell you what. Because you see this right here, 50 cents. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Now, when I bought it, it had a handle on it, but by the time I got to the parking lot, the handle fell off. So there's no handle because, well, you know, but still 50 cents. And look at that blade. Nice good blade. And boy, does it cut. See, look at that. Look at how well it's cutting that paper. Well, it does. It cuts. And that's because I also bought this Smith's pull-through sharpener because it was kind of dull at the store, you know, but got this Smith's pull-through sharpener, 25 cents at the pawn shop, and, you know, just a couple swipes through there. Oh, man. I just noticed. I've been sharpening on plastic. There's no cutting things there, so I don't. No wonder it's not getting that sharp with it. But anyway, it's still sharp enough because I mean I got some wood there too. Bought this wood for, you know, I don't remember what it was, but got the wood here too. Yeah, come on. Yeah, genuine hardwood from. So I got that too, and I was thinking, well, the reason I bought the wood is because I was thinking I can make a handle for it, you know, and then just got the holes already drilled there, so I could just pin it back on, pin a new handle on, you know, that to it. But the wood's a little too skinny, so I don't know exactly how I'm going to work that out, but I'll figure it out somehow. But and then I was thinking, yeah. You know, maybe I don't want to use the wood. Maybe I want to use some G10. Because, you know, wood is kind of old-fashioned. I wanted something modern on here. So I was thinking G10. I'll use some G10 on it. So I went to eBay and started looking for prices on G10. And like, wow, that's crazy. I'd have to pay like 10, 15 times more than I did for the whole blade, you know? Like, I'm not going to put a $15 handle on a knife that cost 50 cents to begin with. That's just crazy talk there. Started getting into my inner red green, you know, that guy from way up north, you know, and it's like, it hit me. I need to use some kind of space age material on this. Now, I don't need to necessarily use G10, but something space age. I don't want just wood. And our old pal duct tape came to hand. Yeah, so maybe that's what I could do. I could just put some wood here, get some duct tape, wrap it around there, and I'd have a nice handle on there. But then I was thinking, well, if I hit something, my hand might slide up onto here, so I need a guard. And it was like, how am I going to put a guard on there? And then it hit me. Well, I got this broken Smith sharpener. I could just duct tape that there. Yeah. But, you know, then the blade's off on one side, so I got to figure something out. And it's like, well, got these two screws here. Maybe I can just take those two screws out. And, well, I'll be right back.
Friday at the Volcano Club. Fun knives at the Volcano Club.
Friday at the Volcano Club. Fun knives at the Volcano Club. Fun Knife Friday at the Volcano Club. Find all the knives. Fun Knife Friday fun. Knife Friday fun. Knife Friday fun. Knife Friday fun.
Yeah, buddy. We got the zombie slicer. It slices, it dices, it makes julienne fries out of them zombies out there. Yeah, it ain't no beauty queen like you go, like this one here. It ain't no beauty queen like the escort buoy. Yeah, you can see that. But this is brutal and nasty looking, and people are gonna just dig it. This is something that them Cold Steel fans are really gonna like too, because it's all blacked out. Now, I was thinking maybe I should do one with like that sparkly tape that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, that would look pretty cool too. All sparkly, and then it looks like imitation titanium or something. But that's okay. It's okay. Really a lightweight handle anyway, because of the lightweight polymer handle that's been made in there. Look at where you got the, right there. Where's the, right around there. Yeah, where's the, yeah. Right there. Oh, there's the balance. Right there, you got a balance somewhere. Yeah, balance right there. Just in front of the guard, you got a balance. So really good action with this knife, man. It's just perfect. And you got the guard here. Now, it's not the strongest guard in the world. You can see there, it's got a little flex in there. But because I put that metal strap going on there, it's strong enough so that it's not going to snap on you once you hit the first like branch or something, if you're cutting through trees or something. So it's got a little bit of give, but it's going to support your hand when you're out there cutting through the brush, because you could use this like a small machete too. Yeah, you got that little messed-up tip there, but you know you can still poke with it. Yeah, got a nice strong guard there, so your hand's not going to slip up on the cutty part. Yeah, now I don't think you can really go smashing with the bottom here, even though you do got the metal strap back there. But the best thing about it is you got this handle made out of this space age polymer wrap, you know, right here. And so all I have to do is carry that with me, and I got a repair kit with me, and this is a nice lightweight repair kit. Yeah, try and replace your G10 when it breaks in the middle of the day or something like that. Ain't gonna happen, but this ain't gonna break. Yeah, and it's in there, it's tight, ain't moving nowhere, man. We're talking strong. Yeah, I get it. It isn't the coolest looking knife in the, well, it is kind of cool looking, brutally nasty looking too, but it gets the job done, you know, and a lot cheaper than spending a bunch of money on G10 and all this other stuff. And you know, could you imagine if this was made out of titanium? Well, yeah, it would be a lot more expensive, but would it be any more functional? Really? I mean, seriously. Yeah. I'm gonna go out there and cut me down a forest with something. I don't need to have a titanium handle when I can do it out of a good old space age polymer wrap like I got here on the zombie slicer. Yeah, but yeah, true. This looks a whole lot cooler, the escort buoy, but yeah. Talking about something that's gonna slice and dice and just do a job in them zombies out there. Might even do a good job on like your Thanksgiving turkey. Could you bring this out at the Thanksgiving dinner and chop up your Thanksgiving turkey with it? Yeah, people will take notice then, won't they? All right, man, I tell you, I can dig this, and there's only one place you're ever gonna find it. This one-of-a-kind custom is only at the Volcano Club. Yeah, a Skip Desheau original. But I just know Bud K's gonna copy it. I just feel it in my bones. They're gonna make a copy of it, 'cause it is just so cool. the zombie slicer. Well, you know the blade's over 3 inches anyway, so you know they ain't gonna sell it in the UK anyway, so I can call it a zombie knife. Oh well, skip out. Alright, there you have it, all you knife chatters. Been your old pal, Skip the Show. Another fun Knife Friday in the books. Remember, if your knife's not fun, you're doing it wrong. Skip out.
If your knife's not fun, you're doing it wrong, and Skip Out are registered trademarks of Skip the Show Enterprises. This has been a Cat Production presentation. All rights reserved.